Hi, this is Shelley Kraft. We're coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the PortTech Expo 2014 in San Pedro, California. I have with me Kristen Denault of Fluency Lighting Technology. It's a private company. Kristen, welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you, Shelley. Thanks for having me.
It's good to have you. Young CEO, tell us about Fluency.
At Fluency, we're creating a new class of lighting technology for industrial applications using lasers.
Okay, lasers in lighting.
Yes. So we're doing this to replace traditional lighting technologies like high-intensity discharge lamps, which use mercury and are dangerous for the environment.
Now, what's your background?
I'm completing my PhD in materials at the University of California, Santa Barbara.
And what, of all things, got you into lighting? I mean,
well, this technology was actually developed at UCSB as part of my PhD research, during which time I filed patents, and now we're working to commercialize this technology.
So if you had a choice of everything in the world that you'd want to do, you'd choose this?
I do.
Okay, so let's talk about the size of the market and the potential to replace all of the incandescent lighting that's now currently used, for instance, in a port.
Exactly. So the global lighting market is huge. It's currently valued at $82 billion worldwide, with the US actually making up a large 30% of this. So we're focused on the high power lighting, which is growing rapidly, and especially in the energy efficient illumination sector where we fall into place. And the Port of LA, for example, just looking outside, there are tons of lights on all of their property.
Now they have to stay lit all night long. Am I right or wrong?
You're right, yeah. So lighting is crucial to safety, security, and efficient operations, but it also uses a large amount of electricity, so we want to cut that in half.
All right, so how does it work?
So we're using lasers, and how we do this is we start with a blue laser, we combine it with a phosphor material, which converts some of that to yellow light, and it's the combination of blue and yellow that appears white to the human eye.
Interesting. So when did lasers, which have been around for a while, when did it first get developed? Is this the first development for lighting ever?
So we started to use lasers in 2012 at UCSB as part of our white lighting efforts. So normally we're focused on using LEDs combining with phosphors, but we decided to try it out with lasers, and we got pretty high efficiencies on a first try, and so now we're developing that more.
So you're an engineer?
I am.
Okay, so when will the product be commercially available? I think that's an important question for an investor audience.
It is, definitely. So right now we're working on figuring out which target markets we want to enter into first, because obviously lighting is everywhere and this technology has a lot of applications and benefits. So right now we're focusing on which markets we want to enter into, and for something like the port market, we anticipate that in 2 years we'll have a product ready.
And once you have one port sold, what do you think happens next?
The other ports will want us too.
So Kristen, before I get the website, why are you at PortTech?
So this year I participated in the PortTech pitch competition, which was held yesterday, where 10 companies gave their 7-minute pitch, and then we battled it out.
So I think that the interview took less than 7 minutes, so you must have more material ready, right?
I do. Even 7 minutes was difficult last night.
I'm sure. So now, what is your website for the audience?
It's www.fluencylighting.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Kristen Denault, Fluency Lighting Technology, a private company. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive. We're at the PortTech Expo 2014 in San Pedro, California. Thanks again, Kristen.
Thank you, Shelley.